Hey everyone! Oh, sorry. Got a new unboxing. This one's a double, so there's two lighters in here, so I'm just gonna delve into it. It's, I don't know. It's nothing special, but I'm excited. It's two Zippos from the Replica series. And I've got the Spyderco Ambitious. I've been convinced to, pick it up, so I couldn't resist. Okay, so let's start here. So this one has got a little sticker, American Classic Vintage Series, 1937. I got the high polished chrome. There it is, MSRP of $23.95. I think I got it for 15 something via Amazon, but it was sold by buylightersnow.com, not to be confused with buylighters.com. There was no shipping, which I liked, and it came from just 2 cities up from here, so it came fast. So there it is again. It was made, let's see if it focuses. It was made in G of this year. Oh, shoot. So May. No, sorry. June, I believe. Sorry if I'm wrong. But, June of this year. So it's fairly new. There's the guarantee. Let's put that back. And the other one I'm actually the most excited for. It's the 1941. And if you pull it out, you've got the old box, a week's trial, then all the while. Zippo. I got it in the brushed chrome black ice. And there that is. $27.95. Again, I got this for 15 something. And this was made also in, it won't focus, G of this year. So, yeah, they still got the stickers on. I'm going to remove those right now, slowly, and since these are special, they've got the special little insert in them, I'm going to take the guarantee out of this box, out of the lid, carefully, no, not so carefully, and just stick the orange safety sticker in there, and put that back, and then we can just open that. So this lists all the different characteristics. As you can see, it's got the 4-barrel hinge, as it says. Oh, that's not going to focus. That is okay. But flat plain case, less rounded edges, distinctive corners on the lid, 4-barrel hinge, and a replica inside unit. Sorry. So I guess they mean a replica. Yep. Replica insert. Yeah, that's exciting. So, I'm gonna keep that for display. I don't think I'm actually gonna use these, but I like having them to look at. This one just has the Zippo Blue ad, which I think they should get a new one, because the Zippo Blue's been out for years. But that's okay. Alright. Almost perfect. Not quite. That's okay. That's easy to get off. So let's put you in there. And there it is. So I'm excited. I'm happy about these purchases, and I think that if you don't already, go get yourself some replicas. They also have a 1935 that I decided not to get, but maybe sometime in the future I will. So, hope you liked seeing those. I'm sure everyone has them, but I was really excited anyway. And I'll hopefully be back for some more. More unboxings. So, thanks for watching, and I will be back later. Bye!